I did it. You will do it. We must make this money together. Yo, welcome. My name is David Osamuji. I'm the owner of What T-shirt Design. I'm here with you with another t-shirt design tutorial, a Canva t-shirt design tutorial. So please, if you've not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, and you can go through my channels. I have about 45 series up already, 45 episodes. If I can make money doing this, you will make money doing this. Just follow me, learn to design t-shirts that sell and make money on Redbubble and Teespring. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right to today's video. So to start with, let's open canva.com. Open canva.com. Simple design sells super well. Please, if you are thinking about clicking off of this video, I would advise you watch it to the very end. In fact, any of my video you watch it to the very end. The end part might just be that part that changed everything for you, that just makes something click. So I'll advise you to always watch it to the very end. So with this, we're just going to click on create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel. Create it. Please watch this video to the I always beg every viewer to watch to the end. Please do watch to the end. By the way, how are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you're having a great week. Hope you're doing super duper good. I love to know that people are doing good. So let me know in the comments if you're having a great week. Let me know in the comments. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're having a great time. I love to see my viewers happy. You guys make me happy when you're happy. And happiness comes from every angle, and making money too brings a lot of happiness. If you know I'm right, let me know in the comment. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right to this. So to start with, I've already opened, as you can see, the free space. So we'll just go over to upload. I already have my design, so I'll just go look for it. This is my design here, as you can see. So I'll just bring it in. It's supposed to load here, as you can see. It's going to load here. Depending on the size, on how big it is, it's going to determine how fast to load or not. So just have to be patient with it and your network too. So just leave that to finish up. So while that is finishing up, I'll just like tell you, if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe. A lot of episodes, yes, I upload every single day and you don't want to miss it. This is a very good video you want to watch. How to use tags on Redbubble is a very good video. I'm still going to do a video on how to use tags on TeePublic, but this is a very good video you want to watch. When you watch all this, make sure you come back to watch this if you're not Redbubble already, and if you're Redbubble and you want to make SF sale, make sure you watch that video. So let's go back to our design. Now we have design loaded already, so just click on it once. As you can see, it appears here. Nothing too fancy, but the truth is, easy design t-shirt sells super more. This kind of design makes six-figure income, no jokes. So I'm just going to increase this. So I'll move my mouse to this edge. I'll press my left mouse click button and drag this outward. As you can see, I've done that. So I'll just try to position it. There's always a guide when you start to move this. As you can see, the red guide, when you start to move this, it starts to make them, see, just like that. So the next step is I want to put my typography, the typography I want here. So to do that, I'll just come to text. So I'll just come to text and find a good font. So for this, as you can see, it's quite big, so I'll just try to increase it. So this one will say you get, so I'll just try to turn this a bit. Then I'll increase it. I'll over mouse to this edge and just press my left mouse click button and drag outward. They say you get, sorry about that. So it says you get just here. So this, I'll just make it a different color, so I'll light that. You can light that in different ways. You can just click at the back and just drag your mouse, or you do your normal Control A to still highlight it and just change the color. So it can be, let me make this red and see. I'll just make it orange so that it has a uniform color. I hope you get me with that. Yeah, I think this color is good. So we have that, you get. So I'll duplicate this layer. To do that, I'll just press my Alt key button and my left mouse click button and just drag downwards. It's going to duplicate that. As you can see, it's going to duplicate that. So I'm just going to double tap or Control A. You pick. See, it's not complicated, it's not a complicated design. So just move this to this edge. The design is super easy, super simple, but you know what, it sells like wildfire. I would advise you not to use my designs. You can change the color, change the font. I don't have problem with using exactly the same design. Like I said in the beginning, I did it, you will do it. We must make this money together. You hear that on every of my video from now on. I did it, you will do it. We must make this money together. So that's going to be the theme of this page from now on. We will make this one together. So I don't have problem with you copying my design, but please make sure you change the colors. You can change the wordings. So you do that, you just do that to make sure you don't get suspended on print on demand side like Redbubble, Teespring, Team Public, Match by Amazon. Because if they see that you are copying the same exact design that has been uploaded before, you'll be suspended. So you don't want that. So now the next step will be to download, so we can transfer it to our shirt. As you can see, you can't use the transparent background because it's a free version. So you need Canva Pro if you don't want the background. So to get that, you can just leave me a comment down below and I'll send you a link. You should get a link also in the description. If you check through the description, you should get a link, a 1-month free pro license of Canva. You get, so you can design as much as you want for the first 1 month and leave the rest. But just check the description, you see that. So let's just click on download. So it's downloading. You can see it's going to show here. So now if we go over, you see it should show here. It's super easy. So if we click on it, here you go, super easy. So what I normally do, I already have as you can see, just about 8 minutes into this video. So what I normally do is, since I already have Photoshop, if I don't want, I paid for Photoshop already. Photoshop is super expensive. I will have to tell you that it's super expensive. So for this last step, if you don't have Photoshop, you can just use Canva Pro. Check the description for the link. It's supposed to be the first link in the description. Just click on it and get a month free. But if you already have Photoshop and Photoshop is super expensive, Canva is just about $12 a month. So after your first free month on me, it's just about $12 the next month, and after that. So if you have Photoshop, just right click, you open with Photoshop. If Photoshop is complicated for you, just check the description, the first link, how to get Canva Pro on me. You click on it, you get your first month free on Canva Pro. You can use it and create as much design. Just grind it out. If you can make 100 to 150 design, make it in 1 month. You can say you make 5 designs a day, just 5 to 10 designs a day. Just make sure you make a lot. If you have about 300 designs, you post it to this site, you will definitely make sales. But for you guys that already have Photoshop, I want to show you one little trick to remove the background. So to do that, I'll just click on this folded paper. It forms another layer, so I'll click back on this layer. Then I'll come to my Magic Word 2, that is it. So just click on it and click on this white. It's going to highlight it, and the next thing I'll do is to delete that. As you can see, I've done that. So if you look through, you'll see that I still have it in the O. So I'll just delete that in the E2. I'll delete that. In the A, I'll delete that. So you see it takes more time. So you are better off if you don't have Photoshop or you don't want to go through this also, this stress of doing this. You can just get Canva Pro to save you time and all. So as you can see, I'm done now with this, and now I can just save this. Just save this as go to pictures, save it as what? I'll just save it as what, then save it as PNG. You always want to save it as Photoshop first so that you can come back. Anyway, you will not be able to do this directly. This process is just to make sure you don't get the background on it. So you save it as PNG. Once you save it as PNG, you click on save. I already had one design like this because I'm redoing it so that you guys can get it and make money from it. So you just click on save. Click on save. So you see it's saving. So just wait for it to do that. And once it's done, we can go over to TeePublic, Match by Amazon, Redbubble, and just upload a design. You can upload as much as you want, but I think the limited day is 50. If I'm not wrong, the limited day is 50, so you can just upload as much as you want. So just go to pictures. I always cross check before I close my app to make sure my designs are actually there. So as you can see, this is it. So as you can see, I've opened it. You see there's no more white background, so everything is out and cool. So that is it. If you want Canva Pro, just check the description, you get it. To your left you see a playlist. Make sure you click to those playlists and watch it to the very end if you want to learn. See you tomorrow. Love you.